Full stack web development is a long process, but it's not really a complicated process. Start with HTML, CSS, learn the selectors, learn something like Tailwind. After that, jump into JavaScript, get into the details, how it works, how it doesn't work, and then jump into React. Learn about the state management, UI updation, hooks, and all about that. Learn about the API calls in React, state management in React, either with Context API or maybe Zustand or maybe Redux. Time to jump into the backend part. Start with Node.js, how it works. Once you're done with that, use Express and Mongoose in the Node.js to build the backend APIs and understand how the data is being shifted to database and how we pull it back. Learn about authentication, authorization, email verification, and a lot more. It's time to jump into database specification. Whether MySQL or MongoDB or any other database, now you can jump into full stack development using Next.js. Entire web development journey could be really long, but it's not really complicated. You know exactly what to learn and how much to learn. That's the beauty about web development.